Hello prospectors! In this video I'm going to show you how to craft the antibiotic pill in Icarus. Over on your tech tree inside the tier 3 section, you'll be able to find the antibiotic pill just right after unlocking the medicine bench. The pill will require 3 materials, and they're pretty cheap to make. You're going to need the antibiotic tonic, epoxy, and 5 pieces of charcoal. For the tonic, you can make this with the use of yeast, epoxy, and charcoal. Yeast can be found in the wilderness. Unfortunately, I don't have an exact location of where you can find it. I just ran around the area to find some. Yeast should look like this, and if you want to get more yield, make sure to use a sickle to harvest it. In case you don't know how to make epoxy, you can easily make it inside the mortar and pestle with the use of crushed bones. Now you just have to make the tonic first, and once you're done, you'll be able to make the pill. Now you have a way to combat food poisoning, wound infections, and cave sickness in the game if you're having trouble with those debuffs, and that's about it on how to craft the antibiotic pill in Icarus.